Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make candied walnuts. Walnuts, of course, are a very healthy ingredient like most nuts. They are a very good source of healthy fat and promote good cholesterol in the body, which can help protect you from heart diseases. It's also good for your brain, good for your joints. It acts as an anti-inflammatory, good source of antioxidants. So this is a way you can make them into it's quite a sweet snack, but if you have a bit of a sweet tooth, it's a really healthy way to satisfy your sweet cravings. And besides being a snack, they're also a great topping for cakes, like carrot cake, for example, which I do have a recipe up for carrot cake, which did include the candied walnuts. You can check that one out. And you can really use it for any cakes or on ice cream or fresh fruit or any other desserts. So it's really delicious and also really easy to make. So I'm just going to get a cup of walnuts. Oops. So I'm going to add coconut sugar, which is more nutritious and lower GI than ordinary white sugar. So it's worth swapping over to coconut sugar. And actually maybe a lot of people are, because I notice it's a bit hard to find it in the supermarket sometimes because it's all gone from the shelf. So just 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. So now I'm going to use coconut syrup, which is a really tasty low GI form of sugar as well. And it's really got a lot of flavour, so it's actually worth trying it. It can be a little expensive, but you can get it in a health food store and just give it a go. It's really tasty. But otherwise you could just use maple syrup if you wish. So I'll just put a tablespoon of that. So just half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Just gives it a good flavour. So we'll just sprinkle in a little bit of salt just to bring out the taste. Just a bit of salt actually brings out the flavours in the sugar and just makes it that little bit more tasty. I'm gonna take it to the stove. So just stir it on a medium heat until the sugar dissolves and it gets sticky and starts to coat the nuts. So after about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium to low heat, you see it's become quite sticky and toffee-like. So we'll just take that off and cool it on a tray. Oops. Spread them out a little bit. So here we have our delicious candied walnuts. If you have a sweet tooth like me, this is a really delicious and healthy sweet snack. And like I said, it's great on desserts like fresh fruit or as decorations for cakes. So give it a go and enjoy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.